Very good morning, dear student. I think I have given you one assignment during your Diwali break that you need to visit any nearby departmental store, and I will ask you certain question. Keep your project ready, and after the break, I am going to ask you certain question as well as chapter one and chapter two. I hope you must have finished all the assignment, previous assignment. Yes or no? Can I have your answer, please? ऐसा कुछ बोला था मैंने बिफोर दिवाली ब्रेक. Okay, thank you, Anjali.
Yes, sir, बोला था.
Okay, now how many of you have visited departmental store? कितने सारे बच्चों ने डिपार्टमेंटल स्टोर विजिट करा? करा तो क्या एक्सपीरियंस किया? I wanted to hear from you before starting the next topic of yours, which is departmental final account, chapter 3. Yes or no? As per your syllabus. Before going to this chapter, I need to ask, and we need to make the base for it. Why there is a need, what exactly the departmental store is, how the finalization or why there is a need for the final account of a departmental store, and how it is different than the final account of sole trader or final account of partnership firm or a final account of manufacturing concern which we have learned during last before the break last week or last to last week. Tell me. I want to hear from you guys. शिखा अगर आप अनम्यूट करके बोलेंगे then it will be better. All of you.
So when I visited the departmental store, I saw that they used to arrange the goods in proper order. Like they used to keep different departments. Like for suppose if we take biscuits, then the whole line was for biscuits, and there was no other stuffs there. For example, if we were go to take cereals, then or pulses, then there was another line for that. So they used to arrange the things properly with how and a person used to check how many items were there and how many items were reducing as people were coming. Then when I went to the checkout, they used to scan the barcodes, or they used to attach for the payment.
Thank you. Thanks for your observation. What about other students?
So it's the same.
What kind of things?
I mean, all the departmental stores are supposed to be same, right?
No, no. What is your experience? I don't know whether it is same or different. I just wanted to know how you have observed. And
Oh,
you should
actually, I'm
have
out.
observed.
I'm out. Yeah, I couldn't visit as I was very busy. Yeah.
Till the date, you have not visited single departmental store. That's a surprise for me.
Oh, yeah, I have visited. It past.
So what
I mean,
kind
I have
of
an experience.
observation you have regarding departmental store?
It's well managed. There are like specific areas or shelf which is like dedicated to the specific products, and yeah, it's a more developed and more better than local stores. And yeah, they have this really good bill section where like you can check out, and like they make your bill payments and stuff. In departmental stores we have staffs who help us like in buying products, and also yeah, that's it. Like, yeah, it's basically like well managed. Yeah.
Thank you, Narva. Other students?
In departmental store, we can get variety of goods
Okay.
in a particular section.
Okay.
They have different quantities of goods under one roof.
Okay. Then,
Sometimes there are also discounts like 50% off or one get one buy one free.
okay. Then, so none of you have observed as an accountant point of view or as a student of accounting and finance point of view. Had you ever observed accounting?
They have
point of view?
a different software for calculating the bill.
There are different software. I doubt. How many of you have seen different
So I
software?
guess he meant maybe some this this tally kind of software. Not software, basically accounting, digital accounting.
Mhm.
Hmm.
So what exactly? I'm not getting it. See, when we talk about software or accounting, it is the same.
Like there is a barcode on products and they
Okay.
scan and the amount is calculated.
So barcode is there in almost all the products. Am I right?
No, like the digital
But in
accounting.
Yes, yes,
department stores
in
is there,
departmental
not
store,
in local stores.
local store.
No, no. Nowadays, even in local store you'll get. Even in medical store and general store you'll get it.
Oh
Yes or
yeah,
no?
yeah.
Now everything is. That's
Hmm.
what I told you long back. I mean, during my initial days of lectures. Things what you are learning as an accountant is just totally obsolete, outdated. No one is going to keep you to write their journal entry and major stuff or trial balance or they are finalizing you guys as an accountant. Not required. That is already replaced by computer. Entire accounting has been replaced by computer. No need of human being to be intervene in the those accounting process as such. So that is obvious. So if I'm an accountant and I'm visiting any departmental store, I need to see a different angle. And I have not found. Of course, we have discussed that there are goods which have been placed, there are discounts. I mean, then different department has different products. So how it is going to help us in the accounting? Or how the accounting will be different than what we have learned in the
Every product has the different rate of GST.
Yeah, of course, that varies from product to product. Absolutely right. Then, I mean, cosmetic GST rate will be different than the garments, than the printing and stationery, then, groceries, every product will have different GST. Okay, fine, then.
For like different products, there are like different accounting done, like in particular.
What? I wanted to learn that only.
Like for example,
I wanted to
like for
hear that
example,
thing.
if
Yeah,
for
please go
example,
ahead.
like if there are like 10, 15 medical products, specific accounting is done for those medical products. And like if there are like some eatable items, different accounting is done for that.
So
So like
not
there are
different
different
accounting.
accounting.
Accounting will be same.
I mean, yeah, we make
Accounting
like
will be
different
the same.
books.
Different books of
Yeah,
account.
yeah, different books of
So,
account.
so different books of account could be maintained in different columns. That's only the differences. Okay, like we had only sole proprietor in FYJC. So for proprietor's capital had only one column. But in SYJC, we had three partners. So we had differentiated in three columns. Yes or no? Yes or no?
No, I didn't get you. Can you repeat the question?
See, in FYJC, we had only sole proprietor. That means only one owner. So we had partners capital of one column. In SYGC, we have learned partnership final account, where there were 3 owners. So we subdivided capital into 3 columns. Yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah,
Similarly, during last week, we have learned manufacturing account. So there was only one manufacturer, one product, one column. Now there are different products. Yes or no? Cosmetic is totally different than the garment. Garment is totally different than the printing and stationery. These are totally different
Manufacturer
than
will be
the,
different.
groceries. Yes or no? These are
Yes,
different
sir.
than the electronics. These are different than the toy section. Have you seen that?
Sir, after billing, they will post it to different books.
Yes, that is must. So this is the basic difference that what we have learned till now and what we'll be learning in next. Had you ever seen in any of the departmental stores there were manufacturing activities?
No manufacturing, but there is only selling activities going on.
That means trading. It's not called selling. It is trading. We are buying and we are selling. So in departmental store, absolutely no provision of manufacturing account. Do you agree with me or not?
yes,
Absolutely no provision of manufacturing account. So in departmental store, we will have only trading and profit. This is what I expected from you guys. ये मेरा expectation था कि आप लोग मुझे बताएं. Because you must have visited departmental store. मैंने कोई भी अगर task दिया, so there is a reason. So now you visualize. अगर हम कोई भी अगर suppose DMart, I mean every one of you must have visited DMart. किया है कभी DMart का
yes,
visit?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So you must have seen there is a segment वहाँ पे groceries रखा रहता है. There is a segment वहाँ पे cosmetic products रखते हैं. There is a segment वहाँ पे other segment बने हुए हैं. And हर एक segment का area occupancy अलग है, number of employees occupancy अलग है, electricity provision अलग है. Yes or no? Even though it is under roof, one roof, there is a different segment. Do you agree with me or not?
Yes, sir.
And being the owner, I will be very interested to know whether
Yes,
I am
sir.
making profit in cosmetic or I am incurring loss in cosmetic or I am making profit in groceries or I am incurring loss in groceries. Yes or no? Or garments or stationery or
So we have to make
everything
P&L account.
separately, every department wise P&L account. Okay. Now, very rare you will find that departmental store has medical section, but if you go abroad, you will find in one departmental store there is a segment of medical, products also. Because in Indian tradition, now we had a trend of going mall or buying from departmental store. Earlier it was not. We were preferring अगर groceries लेना है तो किराने वाले के पास जाना है, cosmetic लेना है तो इसके पास जाना है, stationery लेना है तो stationery mart जाना है, book store के पास जाना है. Yes or no? We had never this kind of concept कि एक ही जगह जाके सब उठा के लाना है. Had we? No. समझ में आ रहा मैं क्या दिखाने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
But now there is a trend of departmental store and there is a future of departmental store. So when you will go under one roof, you will find all different varieties of products. And all products at different cost of operation. Yes or no? Similar cost of operation hai kya? Never ever. You find there are a different cost of operation. Abhi you must have, let me explain you. आपने देखा रहेगा more number of employees are required in groceries एक मापता है, एक देता है, एक चेक करता है, etc. But there is a very less number of employees if you go to the clothes section, garment section. वहाँ हार्डली कोई बंदा मिलेगा आपको। स्टेशनरी वाले के पास एक या दो एम्प्लॉय से चल जाएगा, बट हियर इट विल नॉट। So even though employees, we need to segregate the cost of employees department wise. Yes or no?
Yes.
Again,
Yes.
I can take you to the college, Thakur College, where we have different departments. We have that department, we have BMS department, we have BIM department. So these departments, some of department has approx 300 or 270 students. Some of department, they have only one division and 60, 65 students. So do you think it will have similar cost of operation? Cost of income? Income generation? No. Neither income will be the same, nor expenditure will remain the same. There will be different costs and different kind of profitability from different departments. You agree with me or not?
Yes.
When we started with the same number of divisions, but there was lot of demand in BAP. So BAP ka one division became two divisions, two division became three divisions, whereas in BBI, BFMC today, since 2004, we have only one division. And BIM, there is now lack of admission. So we might going to close earlier, last year also in science, we have closed one division because of low number of students. Because we were not having income, sustainable income to pay off the liability or operating costs. So 1 year college administration, higher management has taken a call, second year, then third year, let's close this department. This year also you must have seen, if you go to your profile, okay, admission profile. So there is one department, retail operation. We literally got 3 students. We closed down that department rather starting those departments. But in entrepreneurship, in international accounting, entrepreneurship, we got 42 students. International accounting, we got 32 students. We continue running those departments. Now, I hope you must, last year BCom honors, we have 18 students. This time we have got 72 admissions. We knew that there is a profit-making department of it. Are you getting me or not? So for every
Yes,
business
sir.
operation, it's very important that they should learn from which department they are earning profit and from which department they are incurring losses to take strategic decisions. And honestly, I expected from you guys that you are going to tell me all this. But आपने नहीं बताया तो मुझे explain करना आपका. So we have very little time. So I expect you to rejoin again because I want to complete the theory part today and practical will be starting tomorrow. Okay. So kindly rejoin with the same login ID and password.